MA Film at USW is an opportunity to develop the skills you have, develop the passions you have, and take your work up to a professional industry level. It's made up of 6 separate pathways: cinematography, directing, editing, documentary, production management, and screenwriting.
Cardiff is like the epicenter of the Welsh film industry at the moment. There are loads of productions happening around here. Within 20-30 minutes you can be in the mountains or by the seaside. It's a lovely place to film. There's no accident then that a lot of international productions come here.
We have this link with Screenlights Wales that's been set up by the guys at Bad Wolf. There's a great link between education and getting people into the industry. So we're continuously having opportunities for traineeships. We have masterclasses, there's tours as well on some of the big sets.
You will be spending some time on a work placement within the industry. You'll start your networking, which is what this industry is all about, really.
A lot of our graduates have gone on to work on Doctor Who, the Disney Plus Willow Show, Sex Education, Heartstopper.
There's great demand here. You don't really have to leave Cardiff any longer because the opportunities are all here.